Arrest warrant refers to a judge's order to law enforcement officers to arrest and bring to jail a person charged with a crime, also called a warrant of arrest. The warrant is issued upon a sworn declaration by the district attorney, a police officer, or an alleged victim that the accused person committed a crime. Warrants are issued for arrest not only for new crimes, but for other reasons also based on the underlying probable cause to arrest. Often it is for failure to appear in court for a future date, after being cited and released, or arrested and released on bail or defendant's own recognizance. Additionally, warrants are regularly issued for probation violations in misdemeanor or felony cases, where the defendant has failed to fulfill a condition of probation like program completion, or failed to abide by other terms of probation. Warrants can issue for minor crimes or serious felonies. A person may or may not be aware of an active warrant until it is too late and an officer places them under arrest.